I've been in physical therapy for the ankle, and now I'm in physical therapy for my knee surgery as well. Knowing that I was going to have Megan as my physical therapist made all the difference in the world. I mean, she's got this kind of eye and depth of knowledge in her field is incredible. She's such a skilled clinician, so I'm in great hands. Megan has been like a therapist to me. I have to say it that way. She has been, I've cried on her shoulder. She's helped me, she's encouraged me. And Megan has been there all the way through and just keeps telling me, you've got this, and that's her attitude. The physical therapists always know exactly what's happened, and what I've done with them gets passed on back to the doctors. The whole team from start to finish at EmergeOrtho is top notch. Joking around, laughing really helps in this recovery. There's also a sense of community, and it's like family.